Hey Crypto Go fam, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about a crypto exchange that's been flying under the radar for some, but has a lot to offer, MEXC. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, MEXC could be one of the exchanges you want to keep an eye on. I've done my research and reviewed what people are saying about MEXC, so let's dive in and see if this platform might be a good fit for you. MEXC Overview, the basics. MEXC is a centralized crypto exchange, CEX, that has gained traction in recent years for its diverse crypto selection, competitive fees, and high leverage options. It's not as big as some of the giants like Binance or Bybit, but MEXC is definitely making a name for itself, especially among traders who want access to a broad range of assets, from popular coins to more niche altcoins. But does MEXC live up to the hype? Let's break it down. Key features of MEXC 1. Diverse crypto selection. One of the standout features of MEXC is the wide variety of cryptocurrencies available for trading. Not only will you find the usual suspects like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, but MEXC also offers smaller altcoins that are harder to find on larger exchanges. This could be a huge win for those looking to trade emerging tokens or take advantage of the next big altcoin. But here's the thing. With so many options, it's easy to get overwhelmed or make risky choices, especially with coins that have low liquidity. So while MEXC is a treasure trove of opportunities, always make sure to do your own research before diving in. Second, high leverage MEXC is a solid option for experienced traders who like to use leverage. The platform offers up to 200 times leverage on certain futures contracts, which can significantly amplify your potential profits. But remember, this is a double-edged sword. High leverage means that your potential losses can also be massive, so it's definitely not for the faint-hearted. I've seen people take big hits from high leverage trades, so while the rewards can be tempting, only use leverage if you're comfortable with the risks and have a solid risk management plan in place. 3. Low trading fees. Who doesn't love low fees? MEXC offers some of the lowest trading fees in the industry, especially for makers. You can enjoy a 0% maker fee. This is a huge advantage for market makers who provide liquidity to the platform. Taker fees are also competitive, which is great news for active traders who are looking to minimize their costs. If you're someone who makes a lot of trades, these fee structures can definitely add up in your favor over time, especially if you're trading on larger volumes. Fourth, copy trading. One feature that I find particularly interesting is copy trading. This allows you to follow and replicate the trades of experienced and successful traders. If you're new to crypto or just don't have the time to follow the market 24/7, this can be a game changer. You get access to the knowledge and strategies of experienced traders without needing to learn everything on your own. But as with any strategy, there's no guarantee of success. Make sure to carefully research who you're copying and don't blindly follow trades without understanding the risks involved. 5. MEXC Earn, staking and rewards. If you're someone who likes to earn passive income, you might want to explore MEXC Earn, the platform's staking and rewards program. You can stake certain tokens and earn rewards, giving you the opportunity to grow your holdings without needing to actively trade. It's a solid feature for those who like to take a more long-term approach to their crypto investments. Pros of MEXC: low fees, especially for makers. Wide range of cryptocurrencies, including altcoins you won't find on other platforms. High leverage options for experienced traders. Copy trading feature for easy entry into crypto trading. MEXC Earn for passive income through staking and rewards. Cons of MEXC: high leverage can be risky. It's easy to get carried away and end up losing a lot. Large number of altcoins can be overwhelming and risky for inexperienced traders. As with any exchange, there's a degree of centralization involved, meaning your funds could be at risk if the platform faces issues, though MEXC has a solid reputation for security. Security. Is MEXC safe? Like most major exchanges, MEXC emphasizes security with features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage for user funds. But as always, don't rely entirely on the platform. It's always a good idea to use your own wallet for long-term holdings, especially when dealing with large sums. Conclusion: is MEXC a good option for you? In my opinion, MEXC is a great exchange for experienced traders looking for high leverage, a large selection of altcoins, and low fees. It's also a fantastic choice if you're into copy trading or staking. However, if you're new to crypto or don't feel comfortable with high-risk trades, I'd suggest starting with a platform that's a bit more beginner-friendly. If you do decide to try out MEXC, remember, high leverage can amplify both your gains and your losses, and there's always risk when dealing with lesser-known altcoins. So if you're diving into MEXC, make sure you've got a good risk management strategy in place. If you're interested in giving MEX a try, I've got some exclusive links in the description below where you can sign up and get some great bonuses. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future reviews and updates on crypto exchanges. Let me know in the comments if you've used MEXC before or if you have any questions about the platform. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Stay safe, trade smart, and I'll catch you in the next video. Ready to get started with MEXC? Check out the links in the description below for some awesome bonuses.